Hey guys, this is Chris from GB Cars. Today we're going to be trying to fix a problem that I'm having with the 204. We seem to have a check engine light on the dash, and we're going to look to see what's causing the check engine light, and then we're going to go about fixing it. So let's get right into the video. Now we get that message on the dashboard that says currently unavailable. See, no, it's manual, but we also see an ABS light, and it has thrown off my check engine and my ABS sensor. So when I use my blue driver scan tool, and you can check above to see a video on how to use the blue driver scan tool, I found out that it was my right wheel sensor that is currently causing this issue. So today I'm going to show you how to change that wheel sensor and the steps you follow to install it. Link is in the description of where to purchase this particular wheel sensor. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so this is the blue driver scan tool, and we're going to put it in our OBD port right underneath the dash here. Once the device is shining, you know it's ready to go. So let's look and see what code comes up. All right guys, so we just want to identify the location of the wheel. Let's see. All right, so the wheel sensor is actually this connection right here. It's a very, I don't know why Mercedes did this. It's a very tight location for the wheel sensor, but that's it right here. We're gonna see if we can loosen it, and then the line goes up. Yeah, the line goes up here, and it goes behind this splash guard here. So we have to pull these bolts to again gain access to that line that is behind there. So all right, let's begin. All right, what we're looking at now is the attachment for the wheel sensor. It's held in by that metal clip that you see at the top. Just use a screwdriver or some metal to pull it up and get it out. You put it back in the reverse order. You just clip it in and then use the metal clip to push down on the tab to get it back into its location. Alright, we're now going to attach a new wheel sensor. So to do that, you release the clip attaching both sensors together by just using a screwdriver or a knife to release the connection holding the two sensors together. So the other sensor is the brake sensor. So this is the wheel sensor that we're removing. That goes out. And a new one comes in. So it is attached in a reverse order. Just put them together and just clip it in. We then do the reverse order in terms of attaching the wheel sensor back in its location. So we put it back in its location, use the metal clip to hold it in. Alright, everything has been placed back into its location, including the splash guard. Let's run a test. Alright, so the wheel sensor light has removed from the dashboard, but as you notice, my check engine light is still there. So we're going to use the blue driver scan tool just to see if we can clear this check engine light and then drive again to see what happens. So we're going to do that right now. Alright, so we're going to be running the blue driver once more. So you just select the check engine codes first. So it's going to run the scan to check all engine codes. As you see, the wheel sensor code is still there. So what we have to do now is clear the code and then attempt to restart the car. So you turn off the engine and then turn on by the engine. You turn off the vehicle, then we turn it on back, and as you can see, the check engine light is no longer on the dash. I'm just going to drive it again just to see if it comes back on. So it seems as if the problem is fixed. Alright, if you guys like these content, just remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification for future videos. This is Chris from GB Cars, and I see you guys in the next video.